Your work has been instrumental in shaping Sri Lanka's economic landscape. At the same time, we must celebrate the tireless efforts of the 350,000 strong workforce, predominantly women, who form the backbone of this industry. This workforce, especially the women, are not just workers. They are change makers, supporting families, communities, and the broader economy with resilience and dedication. Beyond their demanding roles in the industry, the women, especially among this workforce, also shoulder significant unpaid work and care responsibilities at home. It is imperative that we recognize and value their unpaid contributions. Additionally, improving working conditions is paramount. Ensuring clean and accessible washrooms, support for menstrual health, childcare, and workplaces free from sexual harassment are essential steps towards creating a dignified and supportive environment for women. These measures not only enhance productivity, but also contribute to overall well-being and empowerment of women in the workforce. It is important that all players, big and small, and across the value chain, also maintain the same standards in ensuring inclusive, ethical, and sustainable practices within this industry. The apparel industry is a cornerstone to Sri Lanka's economy. Looking ahead, the industry's vision to achieve $8 billion in export revenue by 2025 is ambitious but attainable. By fostering innovation, investing in sustainability, and empowering our people, we can transform challenges into opportunities. What is particularly noteworthy about the apparel industry is not just the economic transformation, but the transformation from within. Not just innovation in the manufacturing process, but also in ethical and sustainable business practices. You have the skills, you have the capacity, you know what needs to be done for your sector. We provide the infrastructure, the social and the financial infrastructure, and the environment to enable you to do what you're doing, what you do, and do that even better than you're doing right now.